What's up guys, we're here in El Nido in Palawan, one of the most beautiful places in the world. If you've been here, you know there are 4 things to do: Tour A, B, C and D. We're doing Tour A today. It's only $18 US. You go to a whole bunch of different islands and beaches. I think it's gonna be a lot of fun. Right now though, we've got to find our boat, Queen Jane 2. All right, let's get onto it.
First you got to check in. So this is our desk here because we booked through Klook and it says the Klook loading area. So we've actually signed in and this is where you pay your fee for the environmental fee. So it's 200 peso plus you need to pay 200 peso for the big lagoon or the small lagoon. So we've paid that and now we just need to find our boat.
Tour was awesome, well worth doing. Glad we did it while we're here in El Nido.
And now we've come back to our place where we had happy hour last night and we've got 2 pina coladas to end the day. 2 for 300 peso.
Bargain.
Bargain.
Cheers guys, see you on the next adventure.
And the best thing, paper straws. The Filipinos know about the straws. Bamboo straws, metal straws and paper straws. I haven't seen one plastic straw since I've been here. Thanks guys.
If you liked the video, hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications as we bring out a new video every week. Thanks for watching guys, and we'll see you on the next adventure.